That's my dog Henry, and I'm Steve Prusak. I help people get lean and healthy juicing, and I'm really excited because I want to motivate you to start this juicing habit. You've heard all about it. It's the biggest craze now, right? With the celery juice. We like adding other things to our juice like kale, broccoli, spinach, you name it. But the idea is to get this in our body first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And what are you going to find? More energy. You're going to turn back the years on age and you're going to stay lean. And I want to inspire you to start the juicing habit. So what do I have for you but our juicing chart? You can get it at juicingchart.com, and I'll have the link below. It's our free juicing guide. It's everything you need to know to start juicing, and it's for you and it's for free. I mean, juicing changed my life. When I graduated from college, I was overweight, out of shape, couldn't walk up a flight of stairs without panting, and juicing turned it around for me. So now, as I'm 50 years old, I've never felt better in my life, and it's gonna do the same for you. This is about motivating you to start the juicing habit. Join us in the Juice Guru community and grab your juicing chart. Thank you, and if you like this, just give me a like or share it with your friends, or give me a comment. Let me know what juicing's done for you, and let's do this together.